Hi, my name is Luke Burvey, and I'm going to be going over the ergogenic aid Taurine. We're here live in Las Vegas, Nevada, with the one and only Evel Knievel. We're here to watch you do the big jump over Caesar's Palace. Do you have anything to say?
I was born ready for this jump. It was made just for me.
Awesome. We're so excited to see you jump, and we're going to fly far. So Evel, besides the big jump, we're here to talk about energy drinks. I know I see you all the time pounding those things before your jumps. I know your manager just always harping you, staying hydrated, specifically energy drinks. What do you think about that?
Oh, energy drinks, awesome. I get so jacked up on it, I feel like I can fly to the moon.
Cool, so the main thing I want to interview you about is a certain supplement in most of those energy drinks called taurine. So Evel, I'm glad those energy drinks get you hyped up, for your jumps, but it's important really to know what's in those drinks and how they affect your body. So we're going to talk about taurine, and specifically who it is, and what it does to your body. So first and foremost, Evel, taurine is a sulfuric amino acid. It's a beta amino acid. It's most abundantly found in the heart, in the brain, and in the skeletal muscles. Besides supplementation, our daily diet is our main source of taurine, and small amounts of taurine are synthesized in the liver. Within that daily diet, taurine is most found in shellfish, like scallops and mussels, but you can also find it, pretty abundantly in dark meats, red meats, and then also in some leaner white meats.
Okay, so I hear what you're saying about where it's coming from and where I'm getting in my diet, but this taurine, what does it actually do?
So taurine is very crucial in many physiological functions that aid the body. The main function of taurine is the conjugation of cholesterol into bile acids. This turns cholesterol into a more soluble substance, and so it's better excreted throughout the body. This study also shows that cholesterol can be decreased from the upregulation in the low-density lipoprotein receptor in the liver. Okay. A select group of hypertensive patients supplemented 6 grams of taurine and saw a drastic decrease in both the diastolic and systolic blood pressure. Evel, we're going to have to take a quick commercial break. We'll be back in a flash.
Hey kid, get off my bike. What are you doing? Come on, it's not a boy.
And we are back, live with Evel Knievel, Caesar's Palace. Ian talks about the most common form of liver disease, which is known as fatty liver disease. Study shows that taurine defends liver cells against free radicals and toxins, helping to reduce the severity of oxidative stress-induced liver injury. This is vitally important for alcoholic and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Taurine is especially vital when it comes to eye health. Adequate levels can help age-related vision loss.
Well, with my vision, that's great to hear because, my vision is extremely important, especially when I'm finding that line right down the runway. Gotta hit it right in the middle so I land smooth on that down ramp.
Since taurine is in multiple types of energy drinks, it's often associated with those ergogenic or those performance-enhancing effects that caffeine and those typical energy drinks can have. But the problem is that a lot of studies test energy drinks and test taurine, but they're often combined with caffeine, and they're not often tested solely by themselves. A study done by the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism examined whether acute taurine supplementation before lengthened cycling would increase performance time and fuel utilization in the body. The results of this study demonstrated that there was no performance-enhancing effect while using taurine, and no significant difference between the 3 trials of the actual supplementation, the placebo group, and the control group. Although there was an increase of 16% in the total fat oxidation of that acute supplementation of taurine. Fortunately, different studies show that there's no serious side effects to taurine, even with some high dosage. When there was a minimal dose of 3 grams per day, we did see some minor problems with gastrointestinal issues like diarrhea, just some overall discomfort in the stomach region, but there wasn't really any severe problems. Throughout the research, the dosing was pretty inconsistent. It was pretty dependent on the goals of that study and the goals of what they were trying to accomplish. But a general dosing is about 1,000 milligrams to 6,000 milligrams a day.
Well, I really thank you for having me on the show today. For informing me about taurine and what I'm putting in my body when I'm having all those energy drinks. It's kind of nice to have that bit of knowledge about what I'm actually putting in my body before these jumps. And yeah, I just really thank you for having me on the show.
Yeah, good luck today. I hope you jump well.
Better go nail that thing. I'll get my crew to take the bike out in just a second. So have a nice day.
Thank you for listening to me about taurine, and I hope you learned something new and insightful.